Hey guys, hope you all are doing well because of the lockdown. Many of you might be working from home, so am I, and I'm cooking more than usual. And today's video is just about that. Today I'm going to be showing what I eat in a day. And please do not forget to subscribe if you're new here on my channel. And now let's get started. Usually I'm very dehydrated in the morning, so I have a huge glass of water first thing in the morning. And for breakfast, usually we get up so late and I will be very hungry, so I try to prepare something very fast. Today I am making this paneer sandwich. For that I am taking some coriander, ginger garlic paste and some chili and making a paste of it. Then I am grating some carrot and some paneer for the mixture. Then I'm taking a pan and adding some oil, then adding some grated carrot and frying it for a bit. In the medium flame, then I'm adding some paneer and mixing it really well. Then for seasoning, I am adding some chaat masala and some salt, and I am going to mix it for about 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I am also chopping some cucumbers for the topping. Then I am taking a slice of bread and applying the chutney we made earlier. And on the other slice, I am adding some ketchup and spreading it across. Then onto one slice, I am adding the mixture we made, topping it off with the chopped cucumbers. Then I'm closing with the other slice and toasting it on the preheated pan. And that's it, it's done. It's really simple, quick, healthy and very tasty. Do let me know if you try it. Then an hour or so after breakfast, we have a cup of tea. I'm making cinnamon and lemon tea here, for which I have made a video on my channel before. I will leave the link in the description. Now moving on to lunch. Today I'm preparing moong dal khichdi. For that I'm taking 3/4 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of moong dal, and I have washed it thoroughly before. Then I'm taking 1 onion and chopping it into very small pieces. Keep that in mind, I'm preparing for 2 people here, so the quantity is a bit more. Then I'm cutting 1 tomato into small pieces and also adding some chopped ginger. In a pressure cooker pan, I am adding some oil. You can also add butter. Then I'm adding this cut onion. Then adding the cut ginger and some peeled garlic. Then I'm adding some chili powder, turmeric powder and some garam masala and the cut tomatoes and mixing it really well. Then I'm adding the rice and moong dal to the pan and adding double the proportion of water. Then adding some salt and closing the lid. Meanwhile, I'm preparing the tadka, for which I'm taking some ghee, and adding some jeera and adding some red chili. Turn off the cooker after 2 whistles, and after it cools down, open the lid and add the tadka. Now mix it well. You can add some butter and coriander on top for the taste. And now that's done. And now for snacks, I prefer having some milk or tea in the evening. This is around the time we finish our work hours, so we sit and have some tea while we talk for a bit. Then I prefer to eat a carrot as well. I eat either carrot, cucumber or an apple around this time depending upon my hunger. I also prefer carrot because it is good for the eyes and I have eyesight. Then now for the last meal of the day. So for dinner I'm preparing this masala chila. For that, in a mixer I'm taking some coriander and adding some cut veggies according to your preference and grinding them into a paste. Now I'm taking some gram flour, which is besan, and I'm adding some crushed ajwain and jeera, then adding some hing, then adding some turmeric, chili powder and some salt, and also adding pre-made paste to it. Then I'm going to mix it by adding water little by little so that it doesn't form any knots. Also, I want to mention that adding ajwain and jeera is very important because besan can be acidic. Mix it like a dosa batter consistency. It can be a little thicker as well. Then spread it on the preheated pan and toast it for a bit. And then it's done. It is very filling. You can have 2 or 3, and it also is very healthy, and you can have it with some chutney powder or curd or pickle. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye.